I am married. I know, I'm sorry. I don't want to break any hearts out there or anything, but I am taken. I am not interested. I did have someone recently ask me, not if I was married, but they asked if I take off my wedding ring when I apply beard products or if I leave it, and I said I take it off. And they said, oh, let me know. Does it harm the beard? Does it harm the ring? And I said, you know what? If you're wondering that, I think it's worth a dedicated video. So I would love to break that down in the video today, you guys. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I just simply want to welcome you to this video, to this channel, and say thank you for checking it out. Let's jump into the info. So with wedding rings, I want to try to cover as much as I possibly can. I am a silicone wedding ring guy. From the day that I got a ring, I never went metal. I know a lot of guys do go metal and then they go silicone because it's comfier or because their job, right? If you're an electrician or somebody that can't have a metal ring or a solid ring, they go to these. Also, they're like 10 to 20 bucks. That's awesome. I think this is my second one in 10 years and I got this one off Amazon. Very inexpensive. And I've just always taken my ring off kind of intrinsically, but there is some decent reason behind it. However, if you're leaving it on, it likely doesn't matter either way. So with the silicone, this is the one that would be impacted the most by beard oil on the ring itself. We'll talk about the beard in a little bit. But on the ring itself, silicone definitely is impacted. It's just gonna break it down faster, especially if you're using things like essential oils that can be a little bit more abrasive and cut into it, but likely not the biggest deal. Again, let's say it takes a couple of years to really break down and you go get another $10 ring in 3 years. Okay, right? Not the biggest deal in the world. Now, what about metal? Gold, titanium, tungsten, right, is that one? Those are not going to be impacted by oils at all. The only one that seems like it might a little bit is sterling silver because it will change color and it will get darker, but I believe you can clean it and polish it and it'll come right back to normal. So is it an issue? I mean, not really. Nothing that's going to actually happen as long as you clean them. So not a big deal there. But what about the flip side? And most would argue the even more important side. Does having a ring on and applying beard oil running through my beard, does it have any kind of impact? Does the metal have a reaction with the oils? No, there's nothing really there that you have to worry about with the reaction or anything like that. But there is a chance it's negatively impacting your beard. If your ring is really sharp, or it has like jagged edges. I think that was a great band, right? Jagged Edge. But if it has jagged edges and it's catching the beard, it would be like having bad nails or calluses that are going through. That can cause some problems over time, especially. Same kind of thing as our nails and our hands. Is it dirty? Is it picking up stuff from the day and then you're working it through your beard? Because just think, right? If you're applying oil and that ring has a little bit of dirt or a little bit of something inside of it or on the bottom of it, and you put oil, it's gonna find it. And you're gonna be working it through your hands. It's gonna come out and into your beard and into your pores. That's not ideal. But again, not likely the biggest deal in the world. Wash your hands before applying. Keep up with cleaning your ring. Make sure that it's not overly sharp or have any edges that are gonna damage anything, and then just do your thing. Down below, you guys, this or that, do you leave your wedding ring on while you are getting your beard oil applied? Do you take it off? And I guess we can add in one alternative. If you're used to my live stream, you're like, damn, we don't do alternatives. Do you not wear a ring? Are you not in a relationship? Is it not your style? Is it not your thing? We can leave that open down below. But I thought some people wanted to have a little bit of peace of mind with this. Maybe you didn't even know that this was a question, or maybe in the future you're searching for this and we got the video to help. If this was helpful or entertaining or anything at all, you guys, consider a free thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you to those returning subscribers. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.